Looking for a delicious and simple treat to wow your loved ones? These eggless red velvet heart cookies are the perfect answer. In a bowl, take 1 cup atta, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, take half cup melted ghee, 2/3 cup powdered sugar. Mix them well. Add vanilla extract for extra flavor. Add red food color. I am adding red color gradually because we don't want dark red color. It looks light red here, but when we add dry ingredients in it, because of the cocoa powder, we will achieve our desired color. You can see. See, I told you, that's the color we want. Now add lukewarm milk in it. It's around 1.5 tablespoon. We need this consistency. Place half of the dough on parchment paper and roll it. Shaped into a heart using a cookie cutter. Place all the cookies on the baking tray. I am baking these cookies in microwave convection oven. You can bake it in a OTG in a kadhai as well. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. You can use metal trays only on convection mode. Our cookies are ready. Let them cool completely. There are various ideas to decorate these cookies. I'm decorating it with white chocolate. Try it and you will not regret. Thanks for watching.